Welcome to Expert Viewpoints, Usage of Tool for Business Analysis. In this video, experts will delve into how they determine the most appropriate business analysis tools for different projects. They will also provide examples of how specific tools significantly impacted project outcomes, highlighting the value these tools brought to the overall success of the initiative.
When determining the right business analysis tools for a project, I assess factors like project's complexity, stakeholder needs, and tool compatibility with existing systems. I also consider cost-benefit analysis, ensuring that tool adds value without excessive costs. For example, Jira is ideal for agile projects due to its user-friendly interface and integration with Confluence for documentation. I also keep an eye on future trends to ensure the tools we choose are scalable and adaptable to evolving business needs.
To determine the most appropriate business analysis tools for a given project, consider the following tips. Number one, assess the project requirements. Evaluate the specific needs and complexity of the project. For instance, if the project involves extensive data analysis, tools like Microsoft Excel or maybe even Tableau might be suitable. For process modeling tools like BPMN or Visio, these may be more appropriate. Consider the preferences and the skill levels of the stakeholders involved. Choose tools that are user-friendly and widely accepted by the team to ensure smooth adoption and effective collaboration.
The collaboration and communication methods vary based on the project methodology. For waterfall methodology, key points are discussed during calls and specific topics are handled in meetings with business requesters and developers. While informal discussions can happen via emails, formal and official communication of business requirements is done through the functional specification or functional design document, and the implementation details are documented in the technical specification or technical design document. For Agile methodology, the communication is handled by Kanban or Scrum events like daily stand-up, sprint planning, sprint review, or retrospective. An Agile tool, Atlassian Jira, is a formal communication method where user stories, tasks, and feature requests are documented properly. The business analyst usually creates and maintains these Scrum items. To ensure smooth communication, the best method is to have an open discussion through personal on-site meetings.
First off, I think about the specific needs of the project. Are we looking for data visualization? Are we looking for requirements management software or something else entirely? Then there is team familiarity. If folks are comfortable with certain tools, that can save us time on training. Budget is also a consideration. Some tools may offer similar features at different price points, so it pays to do some research. Ultimately, I want to choose a tool that aligns with project requirements while ensuring my team can use them effectively.
The best tool to use for a project will depend on the technology being delivered and the people involved. The most important thing is to use tools that everyone is used to or that are easy to handle. Recently, I was analyzing a project that involved designing a new architecture for a data warehouse. To do this, I used Microsoft Visio to design the current and the purpose flow. The fact that I used this tool made it easier to understand for the business and the developer teams, because it has easy graphical interface. As a result, the project was developed in a very similar way to what had been analyzed and requested. So, choose the right framework can impact the results of your project.
Can you provide an example where the use of a particular business analyst tool significantly impacted the outcome of a project?
Let me share an example from a recent project where we were enhancing our customer relationship management system. We encountered challenges with data integration between our old system and the new tool that we wanted to implement. To tackle this head-on, we decided to use a specific tool because it had great mapping capabilities that would help us visualize how our data would flow into the new system. Initially, there was some hesitation from the team about learning something new, but after a few training sessions focused on its benefits, everyone got on board. This proactive approach helped us identify all the gaps early on and ensured a smooth migration process.
A key tool used by business analysts is a requirements traceability matrix. By definition, this tool is a grid that links product requirements from their origin to the deliverables that satisfy them. An MS Excel requirements traceability matrix adds value by providing clear and organized way to track the fulfillment of project requirements throughout the project lifecycle. It ensures that all requirements are met by linking them to corresponding test cases and deliverables, thereby enhancing visibility, accountability, and compliance. This helps in identifying gaps early and ensures that the final product aligns with stakeholder expectations.
In one project, we implemented Power BI for data analysis and visualization. This tool helped us uncover key insights from large datasets, allowing us to present real time dashboards to stakeholders. The use of Power BI drastically improved decision making and project outcomes, leading to a 20% increase in efficiency as the team could access actionable insights quickly, which was pivotal in steering the project towards success.